So much can do this one side now, you have to put on yourself. You can go pay that house. Oh my god! No! Oh my god!
The Rabble Rabble show, I got chat with them and make them chat for it. Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. Rabblings, today was a day that should be recognized not only in Jamaica but right across the world. October the 15th, 2020, as it is the day that the father of reggae, Toots Hibbert, laid to rest. Rabblings, be honest now and tell me how much our fellow Jamaicans you think know that. And then comment 3 things and tell me what you know about Toots Hibbert. Rabblings, may I go say something and want you to tell me if you agree or disagree. But Jamaicans overall no respect all people. And Rabblings, may I go say something and may I go step on Wally Pacan. A lot of Jamaicans don't grow to appreciate nothing at all. Agree or disagree, let me know. For an example, from the day Toots Hibbert died, I don't see one big artist say rest in peace until this day. I'm not telling no lie on nobody. And you see them bloggers, vloggers or what they quote unquote want to be, me hate them. A lot of them not creating or building an entertainment outlet. They're more in the mix up. I'ma say that without apology. Funny thing, make a fly dead round the boss right now. All people at Alaska and the South Pole hear about it. I'm not telling a lie, but here what go on now, Rabblings. Even the government may have to burn a fire pan. Rabblings, would you believe it if I tell you that not one government official turned up at the legend, the great Toots Hibbert funeral? Can you believe that? Rabblings, not even one face that is easily recognized by anybody. And Rabblings, despite everything that's happening in the world right now with the coronavirus, you should have artists from all, what would I say now, segment from Jamaica culture when it comes to reggae, dancehall. If somebody scared, mental, everybody should have did. That more have to say, everybody should have did a Toots Hibbert funeral. The way people are not ready for go party and them something there. Right now, today should be the day for that. Rabblings, right now upon the Rabblings line we have a media worker from a prominent media house, and this is what I'm have to say him say today. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.
Yeah, there was big disrespect to the reggae icon, Toots Hibbert. There was no government official present at his funeral that kept at Perry's funeral home in Spanish Town. It started at 11 o'clock and they leave the funeral home at 1:30 and there was still no government official present. Big disrespect.
So, Rabblings, you see it. Even the media house right now disgruntled with all that take place today. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings, Toots Hibbert, family just go on Wally, keep strong, and you don't know the journey never ends. Straight Rabblings.
Like the way that him choose singing. So him leave us from an early age.
So he's the last of 6 children?
Yes.
So, and you are the only one that is left?
Only one. Only one. And I must take care of him.
I remember the first of February when they killed my son, and I called my uncle the 2nd of February and tell him that they killed my son. He turned to me and said, my niece, I have to be there for you. And my uncle come support me a lot. He give me everything for my son. And I really miss my uncle. I really miss him. And I don't know if I can overcome this. I miss my uncle. I miss him. I miss him a lot. Miss him a lot.
He was the best. He's the best uncle ever. And we miss him very much. Because he used to take care of us when we were small. When he might come by the house, he might come before day with a bag of flour, bag of rice, clothes and stuff like that. And children before our father passed off, he was still there for us same way. He was the best. And
Uncle Toots can't forget. I mean, I go pretty. I go ugly. My uncle stand up for every one of us. All of us. He was there for us. From with small, as she said, from with small. He did it for all the family. He's a uncle where no left out in family, none at all. Best ever. Best ever. We're not too big. Anything we want, I will ask him. As long as he have it, we are getting it. So, him I go missing. We miss him already, we cry already, and we still have more cry to do. But God will do the for us.
The last discussion I have with him was in February? March. Was in March when he come to visit us during the passing of one of our nephew. And he was there for us. And him a man like this, him not tell you when him a come visit you, know, him just happy in, you understand? And when him a come, you know, look, say him a come empty-handed, you know, him a come with more than where we can manage, you understand? And him have from one family to the other, you understand? That's how he is. Him just move from brother, sister, that's how he is.
he was a loving uncle. I remember when I wanted to pursue a career after leaving school, and he asked me what I wanted to do. I said I want to learn cashiering. And you know, he find the money, took the money to me, and he said, go after your dream. And so I learned cashiering, and it's all because of him. Today he's sadly missed, and he will be forever in our hearts. Forever in our hearts. So long, uncle. We love you.
My uncle, Toots, he's a father to me. He's a brother. He's a friend. He's like God. Wouldn't want no one better around you or anyone better to be monks.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.